Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create an interactive quiz using Airtable. This 2025 guide is going to get you up and running in no time. First off, launch Airtable and create a new base. You can name it anything you like, but for this tutorial we'll call it Quizmaster. This is the foundation of your quiz, the storage for all your questions and answers. Now that we've done that, let's add some fields. Click on the plus icon to add a new field. Name it Questions and choose Text as the field type. This is where you'll input each question for your quiz. The reason we do this is to organize your quiz in a structured way, making it easy to edit and manage later on. Next up, add another field and name it Answers. Choose Multiple Select as the field type. This helps us because it allows for multiple correct answers per question, giving your quiz a dynamic edge. Now, let's add some life to our quiz. Click on the Apps icon on the top right and choose Form. Customize the form to your liking, making sure to include fields for the participant's name and email and a multiple choice field for the quiz questions. This gives an interactive interface for your quiz, making it user-friendly and engaging. Okay, let's finalize things. Go back to your base and click on Share. Under the Share Form tab, copy the link and share it with your participants. This is how your quiz reaches your audience. And there you have it, an interactive quiz, all set and ready to go on Airtable. The beauty of this tool is its flexibility and ease of use. It allows you to create, manage, and share quizzes with just a few clicks. And that wraps up this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Until next time, happy quizzing.